Year-end is here. Printing W-2 forms for your employees is a critical compliance task, and QuickBooks Online Payroll makes it straightforward. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, ensure all payroll for the year is finalized and corrected. Then, navigate to the Payroll tab and select Employees. Look for the Year-End section and choose W-2s. Review each W-2 for accuracy. When ready, you can print them on plain paper using the pre-formatted template from QuickBooks, or order official pre-printed forms to be mailed to you. My crucial pro tip? Run the W-2 preview report first. Before you finalize anything, run this report. It compares your payroll totals to the W-2 data. Any discrepancy here must be corrected before you print and file to avoid IRS penalties. Complete this annual task accurately and without the last-minute panic. Do you provide paper W-2s, or do your employees access them electronically? For more essential year-end guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.